Hello and welcome to Online Earning Network. Today we will talk about our website designing company OEN Web Solutions. Basically, we have created this company to support all the people who are trying to set up their online businesses. Because for setting up online businesses, you need to have a website of your own, which is basically the gateway for the business to run. In OEN Web Solutions, we are having sufficient expertise, almost of decades, to develop a commercially viable website to set up your online business. In OEN Web Solutions, we do the entire spectrum of activities to set up an online business, right from domain name registration, then web space booking, web designing, portal designing, e-commerce enabled website designing, and then the best part of the entire process is the content writing. And in doing so, we also develop specialized sales pages for our clients for selling their products case to case basis. And then we do this search engine optimization, which is of utmost importance in having a website run profitably. And alongside, we are also developing flash multimedia websites, flash multimedia presentations, and graphic designings. The entire spectrum we are covering. And another specialization we have recently done is launching a product on ClickBank portal. ClickBank is a portal where anybody can sell their digital products. And in order to sell the digital product, you need to have a website developed, and the website should speak about the product of yours. And this particular website should have a catchy sales pitch. Basically, sales pitch is nothing but the statements and the descriptions of your product, and including some videos if possible, so that the product is properly promoted. So we can develop specialized websites, right, like sales pitch websites for ClickBank, and then a thank you page for your product, because ClickBank is very specific about these two things. One is landing page, another is thank you page. A landing page is basically the sales pitch page or sales page, what it is commonly called, and the thank you page is after somebody pays you online, and they are taken to the thank you page saying that yes, thank you that for your purchase and all. So we can develop it, and launching of the product on ClickBank is a big event itself. It takes along a lot of activities into its ambit, like right from the initial promotion of your product, then launching of your product, then before that, in fact, pre-launch activities are there, sending emails or collecting people on your mailing list to market your product on your behalf, like as an affiliate. And basically, ClickBank is a platform where it depends, the selling of the products is entirely depending on the affiliate marketing of your product. The more and more people will start marketing on your behalf, more and more profit you will be earning. So this particular thing we take up on a turnkey basis, and this includes the website designing, then pre-launch mailings, then launching of the product, then post-launch services to your mailing list, sending mails to all your affiliates and all that. So we take it up on a turnkey basis. So anybody wishing to launch their product on ClickBank, they can contact us, and we will be doing it on a turnkey basis, acting as their product manager, product launch manager as we call it. And product launch manager service is a turnkey service, as I was talking. Apart from this, we are also doing flash designing, flash presentation designing for any corporates who are willing to establish themselves online. Including their creating their web presence through creating their websites. All these activities we are taking up. So Online Earning Network is already an established network which is supporting the newbies in the field of online earning. who are trying to establish themselves, their online businesses and themselves on the internet. So that is all for today, and I believe that you people will be taking advantage of our services, which we provide on a very cheap rates, on a very affordable rates, which I believe nobody else is doing on the internet. So after I stop speaking, there will be a screen where all the URLs and contact numbers will be there. You can contact us or just drop a mail, and we'll be talking to you, or we'll be contacting you over the mail to do your project by being on your site. And one more thing I would like to add, the motto of our company is we are always by the side of our client through the developmental cycle of your project, and even after we complete your project successfully, we always will be on your side to sort out any kind of problem you may be facing with your running projects, or with the upcoming projects you might think of taking help of us. So we'll be by your side. So thank you very much, and wish you all the success in your online business endeavor. Thank you.